Hey guys, welcome back to Tammy's Kitchen. I'm back again with a new video for you guys. Today I'm going to show you guys on how to make the yummiest chicken salad at home. It's simple but yet so delicious. So let's start. First on my ingredient list here I have 1 apple, 2 limes which I've just sliced in half, some celery, a cucumber, some leftover chicken. How to make this chicken? You just boil it and you cut it into pieces and you deep fry it. Yeah, I have some salt, some cashew nuts, some nuts. Yeah, I have some lettuce and 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise and black pepper. So let's start. First I'm going to slice everything which I have here. I'm going to first set them aside. I'm going to start off with my chicken. I'm going to place them on my cutting board and cut them into pieces. Make sure that they are not too big or not too small. Just cut them into bite-sized pieces. After slicing your chicken, you are going to place them into our mixing bowl. And now we are going to work with the rest of the vegetables. I'm going to take my apple. You're going to just use half an apple is enough. Set that aside. I'm going to first take out this part. Now I'm going to place all my sliced apple with the chicken. Now for this salad, we are only using the celery stalks. We don't need the leaves. The leaves you can just use them later for other dishes. Now I'm going to place all my celery. Next, we'll add the other ingredients. This recipe, you're just going to need a small piece of cucumber. I'm going to cut it in half and in half again. I'm going to dice it. My cucumber is finally ready to go into the mixing bowl. Now I'm going to cut my lettuce. You don't have to cut your lettuce into small pieces, just in big chunks. Now my lettuce is ready to go into the mixing bowl. Now the last ingredient, our nuts. Now I'm going to dice my cashew nuts. For this recipe you can use cashew nuts, nuts, or even almonds, just whatever type of nuts you like. I'm also going to add an onion. You're going to only use half an onion. Now we're going to place it into our mixing bowl. Now we can finally put the chopping board away. And now we are going to bring in our mayonnaise. Now I'm going to take the lemon and squeeze it into the mayonnaise. You can just take out the seeds when you're done squeezing out all the lemon juice. The second one. For this recipe, you don't need a lot of lemon, so that's why I'm going to use only one, and I'm just going to try and take out all the seeds. I'm going to give it one mix, and now we are going to add a pinch of salt, just a small pinch, and also the black pepper. After you have combined the mayonnaise ingredients, as you can see, now you are going to drizzle it all over our ingredients. Just put the whole thing. Now we can finally mix all our ingredients together. My chicken salad is finally ready. It looks so yummy and delicious, and it's finally time to go enjoy this with my family and friends. I hope you guys try this recipe, and I hope you guys also enjoy this recipe. Make sure to go check out my Instagram page at Tammy's Kitchen 2021, also my Facebook page at Tammy's Kitchen, and make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. See you guys next time. Bye. It's finally time to go enjoy this.